All right, let me take you on a journey through our Rockwood Bunkie. It's absolutely one of our most popular models, and it's available now in a couple different sizes and shapes. So let me take you through our version here at the factory, which is our Rockwood 160 square foot version. However, it also comes in a 199 square foot version, as well as an option with an additional loft. So let me show you some features of this awesome bunkie. First thing you'll notice about it is the super long windows. They go from floor to almost the ceiling. They're tempered glass, double glazed, fantastic windows that are also argon filled, so they have great thermal properties. The screens are also pre-installed for you, so you just need to basically slide them in and go. Similarly, the door itself is nice, big, huge open area from floor to ceiling pretty much, and there's double glazed tempered glass as well. Super high quality hardware as well. Comes with a lock and a key. Come on in, I'll show you the inside. All right, so you'll notice the first thing about this particular model is just how spacious it is, obviously, and how functional and the great vibe. So there's a clear-story roof up here that allows 3 windows to shine light even in the back of the bunkie, which people like for photography and artistic things. Or sometimes people just use the space to put 2 queen beds or a queen bed and a pull-out, so it's great for extra storage and sleeping. Another thing about this bunkie that people love is the expansive view at the front. So you'll notice there's the 2 windows as well as the glass door, and that enables an amazing view at the front. So for a lakeside bunkie or a poolside bunkie or just anything with a great view, it's a great bunkie for that. It comes with the floorboards, the roof boards, all the things you see, the hardware. And another feature about this bunkie that people really enjoy is how easy it is to build. All the pieces are pre-cut, pre-notched for you, and so really you're just assembling. This particular one here at the factory, we used the kit and we built it in about a day and a half. Now, this particular model is the 160 square foot version, but we also have a version where it's extended at the back to reach 199 square feet. And we even have the option of extending this bunkie higher to add a loft. So if you think, maybe this bunkie might be the right fit for me, what I invite you to do is either book a tour to come see it in person at bunkielife.com/tours, or you can learn more on our website at bunkielife.com. We look forward to serving you and helping your family create extra space for meaningful connections.